Hello, dear children. I hope you are all safe with your family members at your home. Dear children, today we are going to discuss the topic management as a science from the chapter number 1, that is nature and significance of management. In this topic, we have learned the meaning of management, features of management, importance of management, objectives of management, and functions of management. Today, we are going to discuss the nature of management और मैनेजमेंट एज ए साइंस. डियर चिल्ड्रन, आज के टॉपिक में हम पढ़ेंगे कि मैनेजमेंट या प्रबंध को साइंस या विज्ञान क्यों कहते हैं. इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले हमें साइंस की फीचर्स या जो विज्ञान है उसकी फीचर्स पता होना चाहिए, मालूम होनी चाहिए. क्या वो फीचर्स मैनेजमेंट में भी प्रेजेंट हैं? अगर साइंस की सारी फीचर्स या कुछ एक फीचर्स विशेषताएं प्रबंध में भी विद्यमान हैं, प्रेजेंट हैं, तो हम कहेंगे कि मैनेजमेंट साइंस है. अब प्योर है या इनएग्जैक्ट है वो हम नेक्स्ट डिस्कस करेंगे. As you know, some authors regard management as a science because there are well tested and experimented principles of management. Some authors describe management as an art because more practice is required in management. And some authors consider that management is going towards the paths of profession. To conclude whether management is science, art, or profession, we must understand the features and meaning of science, art, and profession and compare them with management meaning and features. बच्चों, आज के टॉपिक में हम पढ़ेंगे मैनेजमेंट एज ए साइंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी शुड नो द मीनिंग ऑफ साइंस. Science can be defined as a systematic and organized body of knowledge based on logically observed findings, facts, and events. Science comprises of exact principles which can be verified and it can establish cause and effect relationship. There are some features of science. First feature of science is systematic body of knowledge. Second feature of science is principles are based on experimentation. And third feature of science is universal validity. अब हम वन बाय वन फीचर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे ताकि हमें क्लियर हो जाए कि मैनेजमेंट के अंदर विज्ञान की सारी विशेषताएं विद्यमान हैं या नहीं है. Let's see how far management fulfills these requirements. First feature of science is systematic body of knowledge. In science, organized and systematic study material is available which is used to acquire the knowledge of science. Like science in management, also there is availability of systematic and organized study material. So, first feature of science is present in management. Second feature of science is principles are based on experimentation. Scientific principles are developed through observations and then tested through repeated experiments. The management principles are also developed through observation and experiments, but since management deal with human being and human behavior cannot be accurately predicted, means जो मैनेजमेंट के प्रिंसिपल्स हैं वो ह्यूमन बीइंग या इंसानों के ऊपर अप्लाई होते हैं और इंसानों का जो बिहेवियर होता है उसको हम प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. लेकिन साइंस के जो प्रिंसिपल्स होते हैं उनके रिजल्ट क्या होंगे, उनके आउटकम्स क्या होंगे, वो हम पहले से ही जानते हैं कि अगर ऐसा किया जाएगा तो उसका रिजल्ट ये आएगा. लेकिन ह्यूमन बिहेवियर के में ऐसा नहीं होता है. So management can be called inexact science. This feature of science is partially present in management. इसलिए हम इसको fully management को साइंस नहीं कहेंगे, ये inexact science है. Third feature of science is universal validity. Scientific principles have universal application and validity. Management principles are not exact like scientific principles, so their application and use is not universal. ये पहले वाले फीचर में भी हमने जाना था. They have to be modified according to the given situation or according to the need or requirement of the organization. So, this feature of science is not present in management. As a conclusion, we can say, after comparing the features of science with management, we find that one feature of science is present in management, whereas two are not present. So, management cannot be considered pure or exact science, but we can call it as an inexact science or social science. This is because management deals with people and it is very difficult to predict the behavior of human beings accurately. Therefore, management is considered to be social science or behavioral science. आज के लिए इतना ही स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू. टेक केयर.